Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what are the applications that I use on my iPhone XR. So this video is going to be all about that. So this is an iPhone XR as you're able to see. So in this video I'm going to tell you what are the applications that I use on day-to-day basis and what is there in my iPhone XR. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and before starting the video, if you happen to enjoy this videos till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so starting with the widgets page, so as you can see that there are a couple of widgets aligned vertically. So starting with the screen time, and then weather widget, and then maps, and then some customized widget that I have set for my thing. So you can also edit the widget from the edit section just like that. So there's this kind of widgets setup that I use for my iPhone XR. So coming to the first page, so here are some of the basic applications that I use. So starting with the Apple Photos app, which I use very much, and Gmail, and also the calendar map. So these are the basic needs, the basic application that I use on day-to-day basis, with Play Store reminders and settings and things like that, Apple Wallet and book. So this first page, there's not much interesting apps I would say, but these are the basic apps that by default comes with iPhone or any other phone, or some of the basic Google services that I use on day-to-day basis. Moving to the second page, here are kind of all the social media applications that you're able to see right now, starting with WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and Messenger. And then again, if you go to the next row, some travel related applications are there. So I have already sorted this with a travel folder. So if you go into the folder, you can see starting with some of the applications from Ola, Uber and other applications are listed here. So apart from that, FaceTime is there, and this is a very interesting application. The name of the application is Habityfy. So this actually, I've been using this application daily, and I've been pretty impressed by the design and the overall functionality that this application provides. So I have been trying to do a daily workout since this COVID situation has arrived. So you can see this application is very illustrative in terms of design, and also helps you to keep track of your goals with this kind of design and the theme that the application comes with. So I would definitely recommend, if you're trying to get into a habit, use this application. I will be linking this application in the video description below. So this is the Habityfy application. So apart from that, I have all the money transfer applications like Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, PayPal. All these applications are there in a single row, so that whenever required I can switch between all these applications. Now coming below, I have a folder called food. So here are all the applications whenever required I do order food online, starting from Zomato, Swiggy, Boxit and Domino's, KFC, things like that. Apart from that, I use Apple Health application, as you can see, and apart from that, some YouTube apps which are very necessary, YouTube and Creator Studio applications. So this is the second page. Now if I move to the last and the third page, so here you can see some of the streaming applications that I use on my iPhone XR. So starting with Amazon Music, Spotify and Geo7. So these are all the music applications that I use to listen to songs on my iPhone XR. So these three are applications which I use to listen to online music while I'm connected to Wi-Fi. Apart from that, there's Book My Show, and this folder is very interesting whenever I need to do online shopping. So I have categorized this folder, and within this folder there are many applications, as you can see, starting from Flipkart, Amazon, Bearcoof and other apps. So these are the apps that I use for online shopping. Apart from that, there are two streaming services for watching movies and TV shows that I personally use. So this Netflix and Prime videos that I personally use. Apart from that, some corporate social media applications like LinkedIn. And if you look at the third row, this is very interesting. I try to keep things organized. When it comes to finance or when it comes to banking, I would like to have all the applications in a single row, or you could say in a single page set in a single row. So you can see all the banking applications are listed in the third row. So whenever I require, I can open any of the application, let it be money transfer, let it be checking whatever the amount is credited to your bank. So for all the needs, I list out all my banking application in a single row, in a single page. So coming down here, you can see this folder named utility. So this is very important to me because within this utility folder there are many applications that I use on day-to-day basis. So now if I go to this utility, you can see some of the basic application which comes with the iPhone, like voice memo, measures and watch that I use personally for my Apple Watch. Apart from that, calculator and activity. Also I have this Google Assistant, as I do prefer and as I do think that Google Assistant is a far superior assistant than Siri. So moving to the next page, we have few of the applications like online course applications, Udemy, Google Ads and things like that. And moving onward, we have a few of the interesting application. This is Triode. The name of the application is Triode. This you can look into few of the radio stations that if you're looking for any online radio stations, if definitely go ahead and check this application. And also this is the application that I personally use for my wallpapers. The name of the application is Vellum. So if you tap into the application, you see there are different categories all together available. So these are all the categories from where I'm free to choose any wallpapers. And the good thing with this application is that the ad comes in between, but the interruption with the ad is very less. It's very minimal. So if I choose any categories, I get to see different wallpapers, and you just scroll through the wallpaper which you like. You just tap on that wallpaper and you can see that there are 3 options in below. So you choose this option, right, middle, and your wallpaper would be set. So this is my go-to wallpaper application. So for my all wallpaper needs, I use this application. I will be linking this application as well in the video description below, so definitely check that. And apart from that, there is this Tenda Wi-Fi application for my home Wi-Fi connection, and also there's this camera connect from Canon. So whatever the footage nowadays, I'm shooting all my videos with DSLR, so it's very difficult to transfer the videos from DSLR to your PC. So what I do, I use this camera connect application to transfer all the footage from the DSLR to mobile directly. Then I airdrop my all footage from my iPhone to my MacBook. So that's how I transfer all my video footage. So this is the last page. As you can see, these are all the applications. Apart from that, there are some office applications that I use, and my go-to browser is Google Chrome and Google Photos. So these were all the applications that I use day-to-day basis. I hope you like the video. If you do enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.